Hello students, so today we are going to discuss or we are going to solve the problems of exercise 21b. So first question is, we need to prove that cos a dividing by 1 minus tan a plus sin a dividing by 1 minus cot a will be equal to sin a plus cos a. So let us see how to solve this. So first we will consider LHS. So LHS, what is here LHS? This is part is LHS and this is RHS. So first we need to consider LHS and we need to prove RHS. First let us consider LHS. Cos a dividing by 1 minus tan a plus sin a dividing by 1 minus cot a. So by taking this we need to show that sin a plus cos a. So how to show this? So here, so tan can be written as, so what we have studied in last class, tan a can be written as sin a dividing by cos a. Is it right? Similarly, cot a can be written as, so cos a dividing by sin a. So we will replace that and we will try to solve. Cos a dividing by 1 minus sin a dividing by cos a plus sin a as it is whole dividing by 1 minus cos a dividing by sin a. Right. So next step, cos a dividing by, so if we cross multiply, so 1 minus 1 into cos a minus sin a whole dividing by cos a plus sin a as it is whole dividing by, so sin into 1 sin a minus cos a whole dividing by sin a. Got it? So let us transfer this to numerator. What we will get? Cos square a, so this will go to numerator, this will remain as denominator. Cos a into cos a, cos square a plus whole dividing by cos a minus sin a plus, so if we transfer this to numerator, what we will get? Sin square a whole dividing by sin a minus cos a. So if we observe the denominator, so cos a minus sin a is there, here sin a minus cos a is there. If we take minus common, then what will happen? So cos square a whole dividing by cos a minus sin a as it is. So if we take minus common, so here plus into minus become minus. So sin square a as it is whole dividing by, so if we are taking minus common here, right? So then what we will get? Cos a minus sin a. So then denominators are same, right? So what we can change? Cos square a minus sin square a whole dividing by cos a minus sin a is common in denominator, right? Now, so this is in the form of a square minus b square. So what we can change? So a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Similarly, in the place of a, cos is there, in the place of b, sin is there. So if we change cos a plus sin a into cos a minus sin a whole dividing by cos a minus sin. So cos a minus sin a, cos a minus sin a get cancelled. So then the result is cos a plus sin a. So this is your RHS. That's all. So second question. So we need to show that cos cube a plus sin cube a whole dividing by cos a plus sin a plus cos cube a minus sin cube a dividing by cos a minus sin a, which is equal to 2. So we need to show this. So first let us consider LHS. So what is in LHS? Cos cube a plus sin cube a dividing by cos a plus sin a plus cos cube a minus sin cube a whole dividing by cos a minus sin a. So this is our LHS. So in next step we will go through, so cross multiplication. So cross multiplication, if you multiply this term by this term, so cos a minus sin a plus cos cube a minus sin cube a into cos a plus sin, right, whole dividing by, so this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b form, so we can write it as cos square a minus sin square a. So this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that can be written as a square minus b square. So that is what we have written. So cos a plus sin a into cos a minus sin a can be written as cos square a minus sin square a. So now if we multiply this term by this term, so what will get? Cos cube a into cos a, cos power 4a cos power 4a plus into minus minus. So this term is multiplied by this term cos cube a into sin a. So again plus this term is multiplied by this term sin cube a into cos a, sin cube a into cos a. So plus into minus, again minus sin power 4a. Similarly we need to multiply all these terms also. So what we get, cos cube a into cos a, cos power 4a, here plus is there, so here plus into plus plus again, so cos cube a into sin a, cos cube a sin a. So similarly minus into plus minus, so cos a into sin cube a, plus into minus minus sin power 4a, whole dividing by, so we can write it as cos square a minus sin square a. So if we observe here, so here cos cube a sin a minus cos cube a sin a plus cos cube a sin a get cancelled. Similarly, so if you observe this also, sin cube a cos a plus sin cube a cos a minus sin cube a cos a get cancelled. So the remaining thing is cos power 4a plus cos power 4a, so this and this, minus sin power 4a minus sin power 4a, whole dividing by cos square a minus sin square a. So then if you add this on this also, so we will get as 2 cos power 4a minus 2 sin power 4a, whole dividing by cos square a minus sin square a. Is it right? So then at last, so if we take 2 common, so this can also be written as cos power 2a whole square, sorry, cos square a whole square minus sin square a whole square, whole dividing by cos square a minus sin square a, right? So now, so this can be written in the form of 2 into cos square a minus sin square a into cos square a plus sin square a, right? So cos square a plus sin square a means 1. So this term and denominator term get cancelled. Observe here, cos square a minus sin square a, cos square a minus sin square a get cancelled. The remaining thing is 2 into cos square a plus sin square a. So we already know that by identity sin square theta plus cos square theta will always be equal to 1. So by that identity 2 into 1, so the result is 2. This is your LHS, sorry RHS. Third question, we need to show that tan a dividing by 1 minus cot a plus cot a dividing by 1 minus tan a, which will be equal to secant a into cosecant a plus 1. We need to show this. So how to show this? So here we know for substitution tan a can be written as sin a dividing by cos a. Similarly, cot a can be written as cos a dividing by sin a, right? So you know this. So by this we are going to solve this problem. So tan a I will take as it is. 1 minus cot a can be written as cos a dividing by sin a. First I will resolve denominator. So similarly cot a, first I am considering LHS, by solving LHS only we are doing. So cot a dividing by 1 minus, so tan a means sin a dividing by cos a, right? So now tan a is as it is 1 sin a minus cos a dividing by sin a plus cot a dividing by 1 becomes cos a minus sin a whole dividing by cos a. So this goes to numerator, similarly this goes to denominator. Tan a into sin a whole dividing by sin a minus cos a plus cot a into cos a dividing by cos a minus sin a. So here if we take minus common, then what we will get? So tan a into sin a dividing by sin a minus cos a. So if we take common here, minus common, then this plus become minus. So cot a into cos a dividing by sin a minus cos a. Got it? So now, so denominator is same, so that twice we can write sin a minus cos a one time. So then tan a into sin a minus cot a into cos a, we will get it, right? So now what we can write here? So tan can be written as sin A dividing by cos A into sin A minus cot A can be written as cos A dividing by sin A into cos A whole dividing by sin A minus cos A, right? So sin A into sin A, sin square A dividing by cos A minus cos square A dividing by sin A whole dividing by sin A minus cos A, right? So now, so if we cross multiply, what we will get? So sin cube A minus cos cube A whole dividing by cos A into sin A whole dividing by sin A minus cos A. So this can be written as, so this is in the form of a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube can be written as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this is the formula. So by that formula, what we can write? So here in this step, sin cube a minus cos cube a can be written as sin a minus cos a into sin square a plus sin a into cos a plus cos square a. So this is in the form of a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So as it is as the formula we have done here, whole dividing by, this comes to denominator, sin a into cos a and sin a minus cos a is the remaining thing. So here if you observe sin minus cos a get cancelled. The remaining thing is sin square a plus sin a cos a plus cos square a whole dividing by sin a cos a. If you observe here, sin square a plus cos square a can be written as 1 plus sin a cos a 1 plus sin a cos a dividing by sin a cos a. Got it? So 1 dividing by sin a cos a plus sin a cos a get cancelled, the remaining will be 1. So 1 by sin means cosecant a, 1 by cos means secant a plus 1. So this is your RHS. So this is what you need to prove. So that's all. So here sin square a plus cos square a becomes 1 by the identity. So you know that sin square a plus cos square a will always be equal to 1. So by that identity it becomes 1. So sin a cos a will be remaining. So if we split the denominator, 1 dividing by sin a cos a and sin a cos a dividing by sin a cos a, the remaining will be 1. So that get cancels. After that 1 dividing by sin a, 1 dividing by cos a can be written as cosecant a into secant a plus 1. So now question number 4. Tan a plus 1 dividing by cos a whole square plus tan a minus 1 dividing by cos a whole square should be equal to 2 into 1 plus sin square dividing by 1 minus sin square a. So that what we need to show. So first consider LHS. Consider LHS. So what is LHS here? Tan a plus 1 dividing by cos a whole square plus tan a minus 1 dividing by cos a whole square. So now tan a can be written as sin a dividing by cos a plus 1 dividing by cos a as it is. So that becomes whole square as it is. So similarly tan a can be written as sin a dividing by cos a minus 1 dividing by cos a whole square. So here cos a, the denominator is same. So we will write denominator as it is. So 1 plus sin a whole square as it is. Similarly sin a minus 1 dividing by cos a whole square. Now, so if we apply squares, then what will get? So 1 plus sin a whole square dividing by cos square a plus sin a minus 1 whole square dividing by cos square a. So in denominator cos square a is common, so we can write cos square a as it is. So now 1 plus, so 1 square, this is in the form of a square, a plus b whole square, that can be written as, so a square plus b square plus 2ab, so that is 2 sin a into 1 as it is, the same remains, plus similarly, so sin square a plus 1 minus 2 into sin a. So here plus 2 sin a minus 2 sin a get cancelled. Now The remaining thing is 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2 sine square a. If we take 2 common, whole dividing by cos square a is there. So if we take 2 common, then what will be the remaining thing? So if we take 2 common, the remaining thing is 1 plus sine square a dividing by cos square a, right? So what we need, 1 plus sine square a is already we have. So 1 minus sine square a we need. So what we can write, cos square a. So sine square a plus cos square a can be written as 1, right? So cos square a can be written as 1 minus sine square a. So that substitute here, 2 into 1 plus sine square a divided by, so 1 minus sine square a. So this is your RHS. So now fifth one, what we need to show, that is 2 into sine square a plus cos power 4a is equal to 1 plus sine power 4a, right? So consider LHS. So what is LHS here? 2 into sine square a plus cos power 4a. So cos power 4a can also be written as, first we will write it as it is, plus cos power a can be written as cos square a whole square. So now 2 sine square a and cos square a can be written as 1 minus sine square a, right? So whole square is there. Now 2 sine square a plus, this is in the form of a minus b whole square, that can be changed as a square plus b square minus 2 ab. So now 2 sine square a plus 1 plus sine power 4a minus 2 sine a. So now, so here if we take, so sine square a we will get here. So 2 sine square a, 2 sine square a get cancelled. The remaining thing is 1 plus sine power 4a. So this is your RHS. Question number 6. So we need to show that here sin a minus sin b dividing by cos a plus cos b plus cos a minus cos b dividing by sin a plus sin b will be equal to 0. So how to show this?
So let us consider RHS here again. So consider LHS. Sin a minus sin b whole dividing by cos a plus cos b plus cos a minus cos b dividing by sin a plus sin b, right? So now just cross multiply. So by this term to this term, sin a minus sin b into sin a plus sin b, then plus, so plus as it is. Now cross multiply this term, cos a minus cos b into cos a plus cos b, right? Whole dividing by cos a plus cos b into sin a plus sin b. Now can you observe here, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So that can be written as sin square a minus sin square b. Similarly, this can also be written as, this is in the form of now a plus b into a minus b form. So that can also be written as cos square a minus cos square b whole dividing by, so this can be written same as it is, cos a plus cos b into sin a plus sin b. So now, so using this, so sin square a plus cos square a minus sin square b minus cos square b whole dividing by, so cos a plus cos b into sin a plus sin b. Okay now, so if we say this, so sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so then it becomes 1. Similarly, if we take minus common here, what we will get, sin square b plus cos square b, right? All dividing by denominator same as it is, cos a plus cos b into sin a plus sin b. So here what we get, 1 minus 1 dividing by, so denominator as it is, cos a plus cos b into sin a plus sin b. So 0 by anything, same becomes here, cos a plus cos b into sin a plus sin b. So the answer becomes 0, right? answers become 0. So this is your RHS. So what we have taken? So we have taken LHS and we have proved RHS. So LHS is sin A minus sin B dividing by cos A plus cos B plus cos A minus cos B dividing by sin A plus sin B. So by proving this by cross multiplication method, so we will get 0 as RHS. So this is your result.
So now seventh one, cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A, that should be shown as 1 dividing by tan A plus cot A. How to show this? So see here, we need to show that first LHS we need to solve, then we need to solve RHS, then we need to equate it. So how to solve? First consider LHS. So what is in LHS? LHS is cosecant A minus sin A. Next, secant A minus cos A. So what cosecant can be written as? Cosecant A can be written as 1 dividing by sin A. So that is changed as 1 dividing by sin A minus sin A into secant can be changed as 1 by cos A. So here 1 dividing by cos A minus cos A. So if we solve this, so cross multiplication. So here 1 will be there. So sin into sin, 1 into 1 becomes, so sin square A dividing by sin A. So here 1 minus cos A dividing cos square A dividing by cos A. So now 1 minus sin square A can be written as cos square A. So how means cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. So now 1 minus, so if we transfer sin square that side, 1 minus sin square A becomes cos square. So that is what we have written in dividing by sin A. Similarly here what we can write? So here sin square A dividing by cos A. So 1 cos A get cancelled. Here 1 sin A get cancelled. The remaining thing is cos A into sin A. So this is our LHS part. If you consider this as equation number 1. Now we are considering our RHS. What is our RHS? So consider RHS. So what is RHS? 1 dividing by tan A plus cot A. So now how to solve this? So tan A can be written as sin A dividing by cos A. So 1 dividing by sin A dividing by cos A plus cot A can be written as cos A dividing by sin A. So now by solving denominator, so what we get? Sin square A plus cos square A dividing by sin A cos A, right? So if we cross multiply, so this goes to numerator. So sin A cos A dividing by sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So that implies sin A into cos A. So if we consider this as equation number 1, from equation 1 and 2, so LHS is equal to RHS. So this is our proof. Got it? So here question number 8. So what we need to show that 1 plus tan A into tan B whole square plus tan A minus tan B whole square will be equal to secant square A into secant square B. We need to show that. So how to show this? First, so let us apply A plus B whole square formula. A plus B whole square formula. So what does A plus B whole square formula says? So here A square plus tan square A into tan square B into plus 2 into tan A into tan B into 1. Okay now? Plus similarly here tan square A minus B whole square formula, tan square A plus tan square B, so into, sorry, plus minus 2 tan A into tan B, right? So if you consider only LHS, we are considering just here LHS. For LHS we are applying. So here plus 2 tan A into tan B minus 2 tan A into tan B get cancelled. The remaining thing is 1 plus tan square A into tan square B, again plus tan square A plus tan square B is the remaining thing, right? So now, so here we will consider this 1 plus tan square A, then from this and this what we can take common? So we can take common as plus tan square B. If we take common, then the remaining thing is 1 plus tan square A. Here tan square B is common, 1 plus tan square A is the remaining thing. So here 1 plus tan square A means secant square A, right? Plus, so tan square B into secant square A. So if we take secant square a common in both the terms, what is the remaining thing? 1 plus tan square b. So here from this and this, if we take secant square a common, then the remaining is 1 plus tan square b. So 1 plus tan square theta can be written as secant square theta. So by that secant square theta, so here in the place of theta b is there, so secant square b. So this is your RHS. So by considering LHS, we have proved RHS. Number 9. So 1 dividing by cos a plus sin a minus 1 plus 1 dividing by cos a plus sin a plus 1 should be shown as cosecant a plus secant a. So now I am considering LHS. So by LHS, 1 dividing by cos a plus sin a minus 1 plus 1 dividing by cos a plus sin a plus 1. So cross multiplication. So this and this. So cos a plus sin a plus 1 plus of cos a plus sin a minus 1 whole dividing by, so this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So that can be written as cos a plus sin a whole square minus 1 square. Got it? So similarly, so if we solve numerator, here cos a 2 times is there, 2 cos a plus 2 sin a and plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled, whole dividing by, so what we get here, cos square a plus sin square a plus 2 cos a sin a minus 1. So here cos square a plus sin square a becomes 1. So and plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So the remaining thing is 2 into, if we take 2 common, cos a plus sin a whole dividing by 2 into cos a into sin a. So now 2 get cancelled. If we split the denominator to numerator, both the terms of the numerator, cos a dividing by cos a into sin a plus sin a into sin a dividing by cos a into sin a. So cos a get cancelled. The remaining thing is 1 dividing by sin a plus here sin a get cancelled. 1 dividing by cos a is the remaining thing. So 1 by sin theta or sin a can be written as cosecant a. So 1 dividing by cos a can be written as what? Secant a. So that is what we need. So cosecant a plus secant a. So see here, observe here. So what you need? Cosecant a plus secant a. So the thing is cosecant a plus secant a. This is your RHS. So thank you. We'll continue the next problems in next videos.